Hi there, I'm Marie. Today, I want to share with you how to crochet this lovely pattern with oval motifs. To begin, chain a multiple of 10 plus 1 chains. I'm looping 31 chains for this tutorial. Mark the last chain. That helps with the stitch count. Now we start row 1. Chain 1. This is a turning chain for the row. Chain 2 more. Skip 2 chains. Do not count the chain with the marker. Make a single crochet in the following chain. Next, chain 4. Skip 3 chains and do a single crochet in the next chain. Now, chain 2. Skip 2 chains. Do a single crochet in the next chain. Chain 2 again. Skip 2 chains. Do a single crochet in the next chain. Back to chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, and 4 chains. Skip 3 chains and do a single crochet in the next chain. You can see that we started repeating the pattern. Now, chain 2. Skip 2. Do a single crochet in the next chain. Chain 2 again. Skip 2 and do a single crochet in the next chain. Chain 4. Skip 3 chains and then single crochet in the next chain. Now chain 2. Skip 2 and do a single crochet in the last chain. We started with a chain 2, skip 2, then chain 4 and skip 3. 2 sets of chain 2, skip 2, and chain 4, skip 3. Same sequence repeated and close with a single crochet. Moving on to row 2. Turn the piece over, we'll be crocheting from the opposite direction. Chain 1 for the turning chain, and chain 1 more for space. Next, we'll do 6 double crochets with a chain 1 in between each stitch into this chain space. One double crochet, chain 1, two, chain 1, 3, chain 1, 4, chain 1, 5, chain 1, and 6 double crochets. The first motif is done. Next, chain 1. Do a single crochet on top of the single crochet. This single crochet separates the motifs. From this point on, repeat the pattern until we reach the end of this row. Chain 1. Work the next motif in the following chain space. Do 6 double crochets with a chain 1 separating each. The second motif is done. Finish the row with a single crochet in the chain 1 turning chain from row 1. Row 2 is complete. Moving on to row 3. Tie a slip knot with a new color. The first stitch is a double crochet. You can chain 3 and substitute it as a double crochet, or do an actual double crochet. I'll show you an easy way. Position the hook above the first stitch. Yarn over, then insert the hook into the stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. That's how you do a standing double crochet. It looks better than a chain 3 double crochet. Next, skip 1 stitch. Do a double crochet in the next chain space, right here. Now, we do 2 more of this. Skip 1, double crochet, skip 1 and double crochet. Chain 2. Do a single crochet in the middle of the 6 double crochet cluster. Next, we'll do the same stitch pattern in reverse. Now, chain 2. We'll do 6 double crochets, skipping 1 stitch below each time. Repeat 5 more times. Here, we put a double crochet on each side of the single crochet. After you have done 6 double crochets, you'll be at the middle of the previous cluster. Chain 2, skip 1 stitch, and do a single crochet in the middle of the cluster. Repeat the same pattern until you reach the end of the row. Finish with a double crochet in the previous single crochet. Row 3 is done. On the right is half of the oval motif. A single crochet separating the motifs, 6 double crochets for a full motif, and the same pattern down the piece. Moving on to row 4. Turn the piece over. Chain 1 for the turning chain, and chain 2 more for the chain space. Skip 2 stitches and do a single crochet on the 3rd double crochet from the previous row. Chain 2. Skip 2 stitches and do a single crochet on top of this single crochet. Chain 2. Skip 2 stitches and do a single crochet in the 1st double crochet. Now chain 4. Skip 4 stitches. Do a single crochet in the 6th double crochet of the cluster. Now we repeat the sequence. Finish with a single crochet in the last double crochet. Moving on to row 5. Turn the piece over. Chain 3. Double crochet in the next chain space. Chain 1. Repeat 2 more times. See? The top 4 stitches mirror the bottom ones. Now chain 1. Skip 2 stitches. Single crochet on top of the next single crochet. Chain 1. Next, we'll do 6 double crochets with a chain 1 in between each stitch into this chain space. The stitches mirror the bottom ones. Work the same pattern for the rest of the stitches on this row, and I'll meet you at the end. Close out with a double crochet on the last stitch. That's the pattern. Repeat rows 3, 4, and 5 for as many rows as you wish for your project. The pattern itself finishes with a smooth fan stitches. We'll mirror the stitches on the opposite side. Repeat the same pattern with the stitches upside down. Finish with a single crochet, slip knot, and fasten off. Now we have the same smooth edges on both ends. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.